Hello, I'm just going to do a quick get ready with me. I know I look scary, terrible, and awful. I just took a bath with Epsom salt, and I'll wash my hair later tonight. Okay, can't grab my brush. So, not an extravagant get ready with me at all. Not some beauty guru, but just figured I would throw this in there of a quick, you know, get ready with me. I'm not going to do any extreme or a lot of makeup or anything either. Also using this. Johnny got this for me. So we're just going to play some music and zoom on through this.
On my way home, stumbling on the pavement, yeah. No sleep in my body, last night got me wasted, yeah. Ain't nobody calling my phone up just to make sure I get home safe and sound, yeah. I'm pretty sure if I fall down and don't get up, nobody would care, yeah. Don't wanna be alone anymore, so I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Ooh, yeah, yeah. I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Yeah, yeah. I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Headache and sore throat, constantly hungover, yeah. Eating all alone, sleeping on my own.
So yeah, guys, that was me getting ready, like a quick getting ready, and I kind of don't even know why I did makeup on the whole face because wearing masks still in public. So I am getting ready to go do maybe some Postmate deliveries or something. I feel like I had some errands to run, but I don't think so. None that I can think of right now, and this lighting keeps changing, I'm sorry. So sorry. I need to take down the Christmas tree and stuff soon too, today or tomorrow. One of the two, but I will see you guys in a minute. I'm gonna bring you guys with me and maybe we'll do a drive with me. So I didn't record much in there because I get embarrassed in public, but got this basket for the blankets for 30 bucks. Because we have way too many blankets in the living room. Got some more Epsom salt because I've been needing to take baths lately and now I'm becoming obsessed with it. It might just become a daily routine. Carpet cleaner to clean the seats in the car, hopefully with this little brush thing, and just good to have with animals in general. And then this vanity thing to put on top of the toilet and decorate. And that's why I got this. Cute. And then this smells amazing since apparently Johnny says my poops smell, so that's my little home goods haul. Not too much, but definitely almost $100. It's crazy. So yeah. So this is what I ended up doing with the stuff I got from Home Goods. There's the plant on top of this, and then the bath saw I got. I need to get rid of that icky stuff right there. And then a candle we got for Christmas, and then this spray. So yeah, and then now I'm gonna take a bath. So we're gonna get that set up real quick.
It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? I wonder, is it worth living now? They told me dreams come true once you live it out. I picked up pieces from my childhood in a broken house and heal my soul from the trauma we've been given out. I hear the whispers in the wind under smoky clouds and tell myself once again, I'ma work it out. So much shit can happen, yo, it got me tripping now. Yeah, it's feeling different now.
Feel like I'm zoned out, put my phone down, damn it's cold out. Plotting on a rollout, we took our own route, really on our own now. These them winter schemes, plotting for better dreams, cooking flows and melodies for OGs with felonies who've been locked since the 70s. You gotta pray for enemies with jealousy, they only feed off the good-hearted. Just don't bargain, stay in your lane and keep hogging. Know that you a target and gotta finish what you started. Life of being an artist, gotta show them where your heart is. Put your all in, keep calling, keep going, don't stall it. Don't fall for what they all been dishing out. Just be yourself and it'll work it out.
I wonder, is it worth living now? They told me dreams come true once you live it out. I picked up pieces from my childhood in a broken house and heal my soul from the trauma we've been given out. I hear the whispers in the wind under smoky clouds and tell myself once again, I'ma work it out. So much shit can happen, yo, it got me tripping now. Yeah, it's feeling different now. Yo, living in doubt could be the death of you. It's only a few that'll rep for you and rarely ones that'll step to you and let you know where you wrong at instead of letting you ride away in your soul. Rather be whole and pure in my spirit. This life never ending until you near it. A lot of shit to bear with. Sometimes you don't wanna share it, but don't keep it in cause you fear it. It's an epidemic sound and you can see right where I'm headed. I'm elevated, oh yeah. We was waiting, oh yeah, to make a statement, it's clear. The way them boys persevere, yo, we taking the stairs. Don't let them get in our ear. They go watch, I'ma stare. Tell them pull up a chair. God gon' answer our prayers. Is it worth living now? They told me dreams come true once you live it out. I picked up pieces from my childhood in a broken house and heal my soul from the trauma we've been given out. I hear the whispers in the wind under smoky clouds and tell myself once again, I'ma work it out. So much shit can happen, yo, it got me tripping now. Yeah, it's feeling different now.
I wonder if it's worth living now. They told me working 9 to 5 just to make it out. And now the dark nights got me needing mouth to mouth. Resuscitate my dreams, tell me what it's all about. I wonder if it's worth living now. They told me show a little skin just to make it out. They told me grind until I doubt, till I reach the clouds. Excuse me a little moment while I break out. Never let them take me out.
So this is all the groceries. We needed to do a big grocery trip. We just got them delivered. I like watching videos like these, so I'm gonna kind of go through really quickly. And my cat is jumping on the, come on, counter. of what I all got. So boring stuff, needed cotton balls and Q-tips. And then we don't really have, Johnny lost my lotion that I got, and my hands have been super dry lately with washing them and using sanitizer. So I just got this hand lotion because the one we do have is super greasy. Just some eggs, these like good treats that I found recently. 3 Dog Bakery, the dogs love these, so I got, they literally smell super good too. They almost look like Chips Ahoy or something, but yep, those are for the dogs. Milk, garlic bread for when we make some pasta dishes, and then these for Johnny for when he goes to work, quick breakfast. Some frozen veggies, you know, just broccoli, peas and carrots. I think this is like a medley with carrots, cauliflower, broccoli, and then broccoli and cauliflower. And then chicken mozzarella tortellini. I usually hate tortellini because it's like too sweet. I think it's the sauce, but I'm just gonna mix out with some Alfredo or something. And then some more bread. Sandwich bread and hamburger buns and salad is always a must. And then meat, of course, got some bacon and hamburger. Johnny some chocolate pudding because he loves those. And then I got, there's more peppers over here too. Peppers to make stuffed peppers. Some celery. Got some pasta sides for some dinners. Some Spanish rice because we haven't really had that, so it's something new. Creamy garlic shells. I thought this one looked good. Angel hair pasta with herbs. And then this is Johnny's favorite pasta salad. And then got the best chips ever. Sweet chili, spicy sweet chili Doritos. And then my favorite since I was a teenager, these Sun Chips, garden salsa. Got Johnny some Lunchables, croutons for the salad, natural peanut butter to make dog treats, some easy chicken salad to put together to make chicken salad sandwiches, Italian seasoning, so a lot of recipes I do always like ask for Italian seasoning, and I have never had that. A big bag of frozen chicken, some grapes, some cheese, cheddar and mozzarella for recipes, some salt because I don't know where our salt went, and we're almost out of ours. And then just some like quick packet of mashed potatoes, even though I've been making them from scratch lately. Bananas, looks like they need to sit out a little bit longer. 2 things of syrup because Johnny goes through waffles and all that stuff like soaked, like you'd be like shocked. Asparagus, this easy beef, shredded beef. It's kind of like pulled barbecue beef sandwiches, so I got that to put on like the hamburger buns. Some broth for a quick dinner. Taco seasoning to make, because when I make stuffed peppers, I'm gonna make taco ones, stuffed taco peppers or something like that. And then here's the sauce that I'm gonna season and put with that like tortellini I got. Tomato paste for just like a recipe, same with ricotta cheese. I got these biscuits because I'm gonna make homemade chicken and dumplings. Just trying to switch up, make new, like different meals instead of eating out, doing delivery like we kind of have an issue with doing lately. Almost out of pods. And I crave normal coffee. I love my It Works coffee, but sometimes I crave normal, so I got some coffee, like some more K-cups. Another can of chili, because we only have 1 can, because I was going to make chili mac, or just chili. Diced tomatoes for a recipe. Turkey for sandwiches, because I love turkey sandwiches. We needed more mayo. It looks like cream of celery. Looks like elbows, so when I make probably the chili mac or something. The peppers I already talked about. Chicken broth. Cream of chicken, sauerkraut because Johnny loves sauerkraut, and then got him some cereal. And then this one's for me. I haven't had this one in a long time. And then semi-sweet chocolate chips because I was gonna make chocolate chip pancakes for lunch tomorrow, but looks like they were apparently out of pancake mix. So, okay. Anyway, yeah. So I do not have an intro since these are 2 days put together, but be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time.
Where do we go from? Where do we go from here? No one can save